In today's fast-paced world, AI isn't the future of sales. It's the present reality you can't ignore. Sales professionals leveraging AI are smashing their targets, while others scramble to catch up. Why be left behind? I've dedicated my career to perfecting sales techniques and training elite teams, witnessing firsthand how AI enhances performance. The game of prospecting has changed dramatically. Spending hours searching for leads is now a thing of the past. Picture this. In my early career, I wasted 6 hours daily on contact information instead of selling and closing deals. Traditional cold calling proves to be inefficient, consuming hours for just one appointment. It's time for a smarter approach. AI doesn't replace salespeople. It powers them, making your research time drastically shorter and your targeting precise. The best sellers combine AI insights with human expertise, fostering genuine connections that lead to swift deal closures. The bottom line? Embrace AI, adapt your skills, and transform your outreach to dominate the new age of sales.